Hi Tony, my name is Jessica. I am a part of the Mr. and Mrs. Leeds SEO team, and I will be reviewing your website today to show you what is working and what is not. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I believe there are several easy tasks you or I could do to get your website working for you, and today I am going to reveal a few of those items. The three things that I want to go over with you are content, citations, and backlinks. These are some of the most important factors aside from actual organic traffic metrics, such as bounce rate. Bounce rate refers to a tracked metric that shows if your website answers the question that the searcher is looking for. So let's take a look at content. Looking through your website, I can see you have about 60 words of content on your front page visible to Google. Anything that I can highlight on your front page, including your pictures, what's behind them, and also what you save your picture as, is considered content. Google really likes to see a lot of high quality and unique content. I would recommend trying to stay around 1,500 to 2,500 words on your front page that are keyword rich and relevant. The content should make sense and not be a bunch of random phrases or paragraphs. The main purpose of content is to answer the question the searcher is asking. On to citations. When I search for Colorado Springs manufacturing, this is what pops up here. Right here. Typically there are ads at the top, and then the map pack is listed. It appears no one has chosen to purchase ads for this industry. But back to the map pack. For a company to be placed in this box, the company usually has to have citations and content to prove its legitimacy to Google. A citation is simply your name, address, and phone number, as it appears on your Google Place card, listed throughout various directories throughout the web. For instance, let's click on here and see your Google Place card. That is this, and this is your name, your company name as it appears to Google, the address, and the phone number. It's advantageous to be in the map pack, and so it's great that your company appears here when a search is being conducted for manufacturing. The idea is to be in as many relevant directories as budget allows. There are free directory listings as well as paid, but all are worth it due to the increase in web visibility and trust from Google. It helps to be in the same directories as your competitors so that you're being found along with them. So, I did a small amount of research on your competitors and found that they are in at least double the amount of directories as your company. The competitors I looked at were Advantage Manufacturing of Colorado Springs, Linear Manufacturing, and Qualtech. I really didn't focus on the medical manufacturing because it wasn't clear to me what you're trying to specialize in. But examples of directories are Facebook, LinkedIn, Bing, Yelp, Yellow Pages, anything that would have your name, address, and phone number. And as you can see, the citation sources here, Advantage Manufacturing has 35, Linear has 36, yours is at 15, and then Qualtech has 61. But that's an easy fix. The last thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. It has to do with what's known as the organic section, which is located right under the map pack. If we go back here, here's your map pack. If you go scroll down, number 1, this starts your organic listings. According to Google, 72% of people that are using the search engine are clicking on this organic section. So what does this have to do with backlinks? Well, the web is made up of websites linking to other websites, but not all backlinks are created equal. For example, having a manufacturer company out of California or a surrounding state linking back to you saying you are a legitimate company is going to produce a lot more power to your website versus a pizza shop linking back to you. Relevancy is key. I did some research using a tool called Ahrefs to get an idea of what your rankings look like. Your website does not have much domain authority and your trust flow is lacking. Just means that you would need to add more relevant backlinks to prove to Google that your company is legitimate. Out of, let's see, let me get back to the main page here. Here we go. Okay, so out of your 7 backlinks, 6 of them are at the bottom of the rating scale. So we definitely want to get some backlinks that are up here in the green to start producing some real power for your website so that it can be found. But for keywords, you're mainly being found for your brand, which is not a bad thing, of course, but it's lucrative to be found for long tail keywords. Let's click here for your keywords. See, we have Spire Manufacturing, Spire Manufacturing Solutions, Spire Manufacturing. If we look here, the volume, this just means per month there's approximately 70 people searching this keyword or key phrase. And then you're receiving 23 people out of that. And then, you know, it goes in order, so that's your highest traffic. And then Spire Manufacturing is your next one, and so on. As you can see, they don't produce a lot of traffic for you. And when we go down to Colorado Springs Manufacturing, which this would be considered a long tail keyword, so it's general yet specific at the same time. So when a searcher is looking for Colorado Springs Manufacturing, it's specific to that niche, but not specific to your company. So when we look at this keyword, about 150 people a month are searching this key phrase. And then you're seeing about 1/10 of that. It's not very much. So you're position 26, that means you're about on the 3rd page. When someone searches Colorado Springs Manufacturing, your website is on the 3rd page. Most people don't go past the 2nd page when looking for a service provider or whatever it is they're searching. So this would be easy to rank for. It has a 0 keyword difficulty, so I mean this would be a very easy fix. And well, I hope you found my video informative, and please feel free to reach out if you would like to get started on making these simple changes. We also provide website build services if you would like to upgrade your website. I would appreciate any feedback you may have for me about this video. Again, thank you for your time. My name is Jessica. I can be reached at 719-219-7151. Again, that's 719-219-7151. Tony, I look forward to hearing from you, and happy holidays.